Hello guys, in this video we will discuss how to be successful with moonlighting. So today we will switch and stick to the most informative and question topic, which will not only enhance your knowledge but will motivate you to work on yourself and know your worth. So today's video will be all about how to be productive. Not only this, we will tell you the tips on how you can be successful with moonlighting, but also some untold tricks to become master of it. Yes, you heard it well. We are here to share tips with you to start earning at an early age with full independence. Since financial independence will lead you to the path of success, and hence you have stopped at the right video where you will learn how to be financially independent. Do stick to the end of this video if you don't want to miss even a tiny detail. Before getting onto the topic, let me tell you that whatever we're going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earnings from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. Moonlight means a side job or any secondary job apart from your professional job profile. In today's society, it's becoming increasingly difficult to meet your needs on a single salary. As a result, many people use side hustles as a way to complete their primary income. Moonlighting is a great way to make extra money, but it can also be challenging, since there could be a balance between a full-time job and a side hustle can be difficult, but the rewards can be great. Everyone needs to be independent on their own, and hence it can be a great way to achieve it. A secondary job or side hustle helps you to get an extra income besides a normal one. It can provide financial security and stability. It also provides a sense of power and independence, which allows you to take control of your financial future. It helps you to discover your skills and explore new creativity and innovation. It not only helps you in building passions, but also provides an opportunity to go through your passions, which can be starting a blog, crafting, and freelance services or online storing. It can be the reason for your liberation and self-satisfaction. Besides, it can be a provider of learning new experiences and also allows you to develop new skills such as marketing, budgeting, time management, and networking. These skills can add to your professional growth in your primary job. Let's dive in to discover the keys to success in your moonlighting. Number 1, stay active. Activeness is a step to be followed, and it is high time that you have your goals set and a proper plan and time to be completed. You are required to active yourself and take action. Take every step desired to make yourself a successful business. And don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Take the time to research the best options for your business and don't be afraid of failure. It can often lead to growth and success. Just focus and then you will be the one to get it definitely. Number 2, setting up a goal. When it comes to choosing a moonlighting or side hustle, it's important to know your skills and keen interests that would lead you to the path of good talents and keen passions. It would not only provide you pleasures, but also with your passions and talents. After all, your side hustle should be enjoyable and self-satisfying, not just another job. To assess your skills, you need to know your keen interests while asking some questions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Think about your professional experience, hobbies, and personal interests. Are you a skilled writer? Do you have a knack for graphic design? Are you passionate about fitness or cooking? After considering them, just go through the demand of the market. Research them at such potential side hustles ideas and determine if there is a scope for them. Go through many opportunities in the market that shift with your skills. For example, if you love photography, you could start providing your services as a freelance photographer for events or weddings. Number 3, try something new. Start with something new. Don't be afraid to experiment with new things and try to focus on different ideas. Start with small steps. You may discover new skills or interests along the way that can open up new opportunities for your side hustle. Remember, the key to successful side hustle is finding something that you are passionate about and that utilizes your existing skills. By shifting your side hustle with your passions and talents, you'll not only enjoy the work but also increase your chances of success. Number 4, have clarity with your boss. Since your timing can clash with both the primary and the secondary job, it is essential that you confide to your boss about your side hustle so that the working hours can be managed accordingly and hence you will be able to focus. Number 5, time management. It is essential that you be ready to manage your time at your convenience. Since you have a primary job as your first priority, try to cover it up with a side hustle, as having a balance of a side hustle with a full-time job and personal life can be a difficult task. However, with effective time management, it is possible to find the right balance and achieve success in your side hustle without compromising other aspects of your life. One of the first steps to successful time management is having your priorities. Take the time to know which is more priority and have the time to assess which is more important or less. This will help you manage your time effectively and focus on the tasks that require immediate attention. Number 6, start with a schedule. You can also create a to-do list. That is, what are the tasks which are lying in the queue to be completed? Set specific time arenas and time slots for working on by your side hustle or moonlighting and get stuck to them as much as possible. It is also important to make and set some boundaries and expectations for yourself. Understand that you have limited time and energy, and it's okay to say no to certain commitments or delegate tasks when necessary. Remember, it's better to do a few things well than to spread yourself too thin and risk burnout. Number 7, check your progress. It is necessary to have a regular check on your progress and work. Tracking your progress is equally important. You need to review your goals and have an assessment of how far you've come and how far you have to go, since it will help you to track your growth and upcoming focused arena. This not only helps you stay focused, but also helps you make adjustments if necessary. Number 8, celebrate your progress. Since whatever is achieved should be celebrated, happiness does not come while getting reached to the milestone. Instead, it is acquired while having the struggle towards that milestone. Number 9, make a budget. When it comes to allocating the financial side of your moonlighting, there are a few things you should keep in mind. That is, set up a budget and work according to it, as you need to manage income and expenditure accordingly. Hence, there should be proper balance and need of what and how much you wish for, and have a clear understanding of the financial health of your venture. By having a well-structured budget, you'll be able to make proper decisions about where to manage your resources and identify areas where you can cut costs or invest more strategically. This will help you maintain financial stability and avoid any surprises down the road. Number 10, ready to face challenges. Practicing a side hustle can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it's too risky too, as it can lead to various challenges. So as a side hustler, you may find various obstacles along the way that can potentially decrease your progress and success. However, with positivity and techniques, you can overcome these challenges and thrive in your side hustle. There are many obstacles faced by such people, such as lack of time. Same as I have told you before, time management is a crucial side to be followed while engaging in a side hustle. And number 11, be motivated. Another common thing to be worked on is maintaining motivation consistently, since it's natural to have bad experience fatigue, especially when following multiple responsibilities. To overcome this hurdle, it's important to set clear goals and remind yourself of your passion and purpose behind the side hustle. Surround yourself with positive people who believe in you and have faith in you to stay focused and motivated. If you're a book reader, do read the 3 books mentioned in the description to get more enlightenment on the following topic. Lastly, find a healthy work-life balance can be a real challenge when you're dedicated time towards your goals as a secondary. So guys, it's time to bid goodbye, and that's the end of this video. We hope that you liked the video. If it is so, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. Till then, take good care of yourself and your family. Goodbye. We will meet you in the next video.